I wouldn't exactly call it ice cream. Have you seen the videos for 3-ingredient ice cream without an ice cream machine? It is simple to make, but is it any good? I think it's way too rich to be eaten like ice cream, but it would make a great topping for heated pie, coffee, or hot chocolate, if you're feeling like being fancy. You start out by mixing together 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Then you whip 2 cups of heavy cream until soft peaks form. Now don't overdo it, you do not want to be making butter. Fold in half of the whipped cream into the sweetened condensed milk, and then fold that mixture into the remaining whipped cream. Okay, then spread all of that into a shallow container, cover with the lid, and freeze. Now it'll be pretty soft in several hours, but it really needs to freeze overnight for best results. Like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any of these new recipes or maybe even reviews of recipes.